the camera them on you. Okay?
So we may go do no. Tana. Tana.
Come on, couldn't feel me.
What a phone face your home, you know, blood.
It depend live and you depend talk. Look at what word on them.
No, like the phone face. Oh, you can't fix it.
Them say them gonna face it. La 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 la. Go on one listen. Me turn this. Yeah, I'm turn this. You say this is TikTok.
What's the one?
Connection from this. Alright. Yeah, me this is awesome. I don't know food from the picture. Oh God, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know from this. I don't know from this. Let's see now. Let's see what I don't from this. Oh, I want the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi number. What is that going on? Oh, see. Oh my God, I'm not going to
You want me to do this now?
Okay, but yeah, my people. Just so we know, say, and the food we carry go get the people that I know, you know. Basically, that's what I do right now. You see? Yeah, man. Carry the food and get the people them. People can get the food for eat. You see? So, as you can see, I'm on the food right now. I make sure carry to get the people and the food and people them can get the food for eat. So, big up on yourself, people. Now, just watch and see what I go on. You see? Come on. Big up yourself, what I go on.
Big up on it.
What I do now?
We're going to feed the people them now.
All
Give
right.
them dinner.
All right. How we cook today?
Rice and peas and cabbage and callaloo and okra
And what?
and carrot. It's a good dish anyhow. Good dish. People, it's so very nice. I eat it.
Yeah, man, so out there we go with people. Out there without the fear, is it? Out there without the fear, we are got there to get some people food. But them enjoy themselves too. You see? Them are the less fortunate, but them are somebody pitney, just like we. So, but them enjoy themselves, you see? Yeah, man. So just watch along with people. Last time I stop here so.
Oh.
They don't want no food.
No, good. I don't want no food.
The true one, cause them really.
Them get food there regular, you know.
Oh, want to me something else.
Yes.
Young people, so we are heading and straight to the town now.
Can you see
I
them?
want to this.
Can you see them, my brother?
Heading to town with people. Yeah, man, with people. Heading out the town, you know? Don't let me a drive via all the phone. They don't know if that wallet shall wallet good with people, but I know if shall wallet good. One thing we don't have people, we don't have we don't have no juice, no water, nothing for them drink. I mean, we don't have nothing at all for them drink, Jaja know.
All right.
So on the way I go down, I head out for I go down a water theatre. Jaja know people. Vex them, we don't have nothing for them drinks still, you know. About 5 o'clock now. Heading right down there, is it? Have you that will pass? I am again hospital also. I'm not come out hospital. So this thing I set now. No one this thing what is I've been in trouble. Stop listening. No this thing if you can see. Every people, so they are town now, and you can see it. Those are the people. You see? Yeah, man. Reach right now with people. So, I just line up yourself. Yeah, man. Fix up. Lock up the car. Lock up the car. Fix up the camera. And then just call them in. Call them there. So, I'm there with people. You see it? So, I'm just go on. Now come. I go on ease back myself and I copy what I did with people. Yeah. Call, let me make them line up, my V.
What?
Call, let me them come line up now. Ready? Alright, I'll be me do it then. Me do it then. Yeah, man, just like up the video for the people. Like up the video, because right now, I people, them will call in right now. Them get the food. Yeah, man, so.
Ready?
V, you penetrate me? You not penetrate me, don't it? You not penetrate me. You mind the far. Wait now, wait now. People, I don't know me live. I don't know what I'm to do something now. I don't know what I'm to me live now. Nah, the camera now spin for me, I don't know what I'm. Live I run. Gone live again now. John Star, I don't know the live just jump out so my people. Jaja, I don't know why I go and start with my Wi-Fi. Like jump off and cut off. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm done.
Send it on there, two of them.
Ready?
Yeah, my lad. All right, mama.
Want the food?
No, all right.
Oh, you're good. All right. Big mechanic, you know. Yeah, man, I tell you people don't know the live jump off star by food. See there? At this left for that box, you know. You know, the life jump off star and no know boy. Jaja know. Me there I try to better to see where everything we are going. And the life just no know what happen. You see that again? Oh, something wrong with me. I try to turn the camera and try to spin the camera on my people. And it frozen it. It a work you know but my camera not turn. And you now see no way out there so. See it come back them over the camera not turn. You see me? Jaja know my people. Anyway still, I just couple food left. I don't know, I try to see about 5 to 6 food left. I try to see if I can hand it out there to the people them, you see? They're supposed to get it because I don't know. You see? Yeah man.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, you've done it already.
So let's see if we can make a little jive going and so finish off the food. Yeah, finish off the food.
You're over there, sir. Mom is cold. See me old. I show you. Boggus! Come here!
The send come give him already.
Me I give the people them over there. If not take it, man, I want thing with him. Clever them way them.
Yeah man, my people, so this is it.
You get the food?
So I go there, stand up on the side of it, so.
How are this?
Wait now.
I got that one day I done.
Call a girl, eh? She?
Oh, put on.
Oh, she don't want no.
Hey, back to somebody don't want to food.
Oh, yes, man. That's fine.
Our people, so food today I give out, you know? Come on.
I'll steam them some.
So right now the food done with people, see it? Yeah, so we just come as a come finish stuff and just know so boy, it is that. You see? So we just give thanks and praise to all the people who are watch right from the beginning till now it end, till it finish. Big up on yourself and respect. All the people who like up the live, who share the live, who make a comments, who subscribe to my thing, who follow me on the TikTok. Big up on yourself and respect to each and everyone. Love no. You see? Yeah man, me out. Yes, my people, tap it, that is it. You just like up the like for me, like up the live for my people. You see, right away. That is it, that's how we do it to people. We just make the people them enjoy themselves. See? Eat food and full them belly. Come on. People them eat food and enjoy themselves, my people. That is it. So we do it. And some nice food we cook, you know, people. Yeah, man, food is nice. Trust me, I tell you, say. Yeah, not nice like rice and peas and callaloo, you know. Oh, I tell you, man. When you cook a pot of rice and peas, man, and have callaloo well seasoned and cooked on, oh my gosh, man. Not nice, man. Pure niceness, you see it? People, who don't know, just subscribe to the thing and keep the thing going. You copy? Yeah, man. Because I call it a evil, you know, and that is it, is it? See, you know, people, yeah, man. So big up yourself. One love every time. As I say, subscribe. You copy? Yeah, man. Cha-cha.
Sa wala.